What is TRP? Target Rating Point. These days, TRP is a point of contention and a topic in debate. Now, let us understand in this video what exactly is TRP. Now, anyone watching television for more than a minute is considered a viewer as a part of target rating point. The TRP is the metric which is used by the marketing and advertising agencies to evaluate this viewership. But what do the advertisers get? They get a metric, they get a parameter as per which they decide which are the channels who are getting more viewership. And obviously if some channel is getting more viewership, the advertisers would like to pay more to that particular channel so that they can get and reach maximum number of people. Now, who records TRP in India? The TRP is recorded by Broadcast Audience Research Council, BARC. It uses barometers that are installed in television in selected households. So how many households are these? 44,000 households in the country. Now, how is TRP calculated? Now, TRP is calculated on the basis of audio watermark. Now, you would be wondering, what is watermark? Now, these audio watermarks are embedded in the video content prior to the broadcast. These watermarks are not audible to the human ear, but can easily be detected and decoded using the hardware and the software in the barometers. This is what the barometers record. Now, is there a selection criteria for the households? Well, a large-scale face-to-face survey of a sample of approximately 3 lakh households from target population is done annually. Out of these households, they will have barometers at selected random process called recruitment sample. So basically, the process is like an election, like the sample which is taken for census. Before the poll results which you get based on the sample size. Similarly, the barometers installed at these households which are selected at a random in a random way, they record these numbers, the viewership numbers. Now, BARC India also involves a separate vigilance agency to check out its outliers, and it considers highly suspicious. The panel homes selected are rotated annually as per the guidelines of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So this work of installing this barometer at selected households based on the sample size is done by a third party. And this is where the problem arises. If the third party involves itself into corrupt practices, the measures at the household for viewership is not accurate and can be misleading as well. So the loopholes, if we talk about the loopholes, the homes selected are intruded into manipulative tactics to change the viewership, favorable viewership. As the process is self-regulating, there is no government control over it, and this is where things go wrong. So probably the resolution could be a regulator which is based and follows certain rules and regulations, and that is probably when this issue of buying viewership will end, and it's for the benefit of the entire people as well as media industry. Because considering the fourth pillar of democracy, if this is what happens in media channels, where will the people go for news? It's not about money, it's about creating awareness, it's about the responsibility which media plays in a democracy.